Okay, so arcs and sectors. So circles, if we got a circle, we're going to read the question. So Ryder has a circular pool in his backyard. So there's a picture of the pool. As shown on the diagram below, the pool takes up an area of 101.84 meters squared. So you got area. Once you have a circle and you got area, then you're like, all right, area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Perfect. So pi, is a magic number. It's like 3.14. It keeps going, but whatever. We'll just use 3.14. And then we don't know what the radius is, but we know the answer. So we can work backwards. That's why algebra exists, to help us out with figuring things out. Okay, so now we got to do the opposite operation. So you're gonna go, well, this is multiplication. So I got a little dot here for multiplication. So I'm gonna divide 3.14 on both sides. Divide this by 3.14. And then go and so 101.84 divided 101.84 divided by 3.14 equals 32.43321. So this is too much work. Don't want to write all this down. So you can round it. So here they said to the nearest tenth. So this is the tenth spot. It's a fraction on a 10. This is the 100th spot. It's a fraction of 100. That's why this is 43 cents. Because a cent is a century. It's out of 100, so it's a fraction of 100. It takes 100 cents to get to a dollar. So if I round this here, I look next door. If it's 5 or greater, it goes up. This is not 5 or greater, so I just cut all this off. So we got 32.4 is equal to the radius squared. So that's where now we got a square root. So the opposite of squaring, so something times itself, is the square root button. So we got 32.4, and then I got to square root it. So it's 5.69 is equal to the radius. So now we got 5.69 is our radius. That's the distance from the middle to the very edge. 5.69. Awesome. So that's a treat. So now we're like, all right, what was the question asking us though? I just skipped right ahead, right? I saw area and I'm talking about area, so I might as well find the radius, right? So if Ryder wishes to attach a line of tiles around the top of the pool's edge, well, I guess this is a realistic question. So the pool edge is all along there, so that's a fancy word for the circumference. So the perimeter of a circle is the circumference. Once I see that, I know it's pi times the diameter. So now I need to double the radius to get to the diameter. So I'm like, all right, 5.69 times 2 gives me a diameter of 11.38. Wonderful. So 11.38 times 3.14 gives me the circumference. 3.14 gives me a circumference of 35.7332. So again, they told us to round to the nearest tenth. So we look, this is the 10th spot. Oops. So this is the 10th spot here. You look next door, it's not a 5 or greater, so it is just 35.7, and the unit is meters. It's just meters, not meters squared. Meters squared is for area.